along with long-term strategies and solutions, we also have short-term projects. We see short-term projects often in like funding, foundation funding projects. So, for example, here I'm talking about irrigation ditch repair, youth conservation corps type projects where they go out and they repair something in a community, they fix something up, and then once the project's complete, it's complete. And so really by looking at, okay, what is the funder looking for? Are they looking for long-term projects? Are they looking for short-term projects? You can decide what your sustainability plan is going to look like. Of course, if you have a long-term program, your sustainability plan is going to be more complex. So, like I said, when you analyze these questions, that will help guide you in the direction that you want to go. Sustainability planning is best done prior to the grant writing process in the program planning phase. However, most often it's done during the grant writing phase, and generally that's because it's an evaluation criteria where the funder is asking you to address this and asking you to tell them what your plan is to keep the project going without their help. But the best way to do it is to think about your long-term initiatives that we've talked about on previous webinars and think about, okay, once we solve this problem or once we get a good handle on this program, how are we going to continue? And then that way when you get to the grant writing phase and your grant writer or you are sitting down there to write in your sustainability component, you actually have the answers and you're not having to come up with them on the cuff. So as described before, depending on the type of project or program you're proposing to the funder, you'll take different approaches with your sustainability plan. If you're working on a long-term initiative like increasing